What's going on? I don't remember if I did an intro for the second part of this. I don't know what I'm trying to say here.
Mustang video.
Thank you.
5-liter Mustang.
Foxbody.
We don't know if we did a
Barn Find. I don't remember if I did an intro for part 2. I think I did, but I'm gonna put this in there instead. Today, even though I'm not finished the body, we're gonna work on the inside.
Interior. And I heard this car is very light, so take a look how light it is. You ready? I'm gonna do maximum power.
Need you to push that forward.
Okay, hold on.
Maybe it's because you got the parking brake on.
Oh! Wait, no, the brake doesn't work in this car.
Okay, Andy, I need you to look, before you keep looking dumber, would the parking brake matter right now?
Oh no, it wouldn't, because it's on. Oh, there's no way. Hold on.
I'm clipping that, dude. That's gonna be good.
Okay, hold on.
All right, Forza. In this video, Andy pulls a hernia.
Yeah. I just don't want to dent the car. I don't want to push too hard.
All right, so the beginning of this video, you can watch us try to push this. All right. Where's the stand?
Woo!
Perfect timing. Perfect timing.
Matt too?
My name's Jeff. My name is Jeff. And
We know.
what?
Pushing.
Fuck my life.
We were gonna do it with just me and Andy, but this will be a whole lot.
It's on video now. You're gonna fuck your life, dude. Yeah, on video. 1, 2,
3. See, we push. See, we're pushing. Going.
I think that's good there, right? Good? Yeah. Thanks, Matt. Don't click it. Oh, I clicked it. In this video, we're gonna take care of the interior. I tried to take the seats out. I don't have a proper wrench or something to get down there. So we're gonna do what we can, and then maybe after, bug someone to help us. Hopefully you can hear me. This guy is blowing over there. Andy is already puking.
I'm afraid to look under that seat.
Look under the seat.
Wrappers.
Just look under the seat. What do you see, brother?
Chewed up things. Poo.
So if you look close, it smells so bad. There's a lot of mouse poop. So, first step, we're gonna vacuum, and then we're gonna soak this in our Bloomco enzyme cleaner. That's gonna help break down all the proteins in the urine and all the feces that's in there. Then we're gonna extract that with our shampooer. Just to give you an example, like, look at this. That's gross. It smells just as bad as it looks. So, yeah, hey, you can watch us get to work. Moment of silence to this little guy. He didn't make it.
A little baby mouse there.
Now his new home is going to be inside the vacuum and then in the bin. That shit nasty.
Look at all the mice poop. Even under the...
We gotta sanitize it. This is gross. Jerry, man. Really making us work, brother.
I'm getting the glasses.
Alright, so we're gonna remove the seats. I just lifted this up and there's a nest under here. The internet made this look really easy, so let's see. Wanna record? Yep. You find the clip, come over here, you push. Alright. Oh, please, hopefully nothing comes out. That's
Oh, you
gross.
popped it out. Oh, yeah.
Now we're gonna do this one. Alright. And now we're gonna take this thing out. Oh no!
How bad?
Oh, Jerry!
Let me see it. Get it on camera.
Dude!
Oh.
Oh, it's a mouse! That's so gross! No! No!
Bat? Like a big one?
There's a real one in there. It's moving.
It's moving alive? Oh, that's bad. That's bad in there.
Shit. Where'd he go? Where did he go? He's in the car.
He's in there. There's multiple in there. That's a huge nest.
Dude.
He might be in there. He was moving?
Oh, he was alive. I think he's in between this back seat now.
Look at that under. That's so bad.
You're gonna get free. Give me some pictures of that.
That is so bad. Is he in there?
Did you see anything? I didn't see that. I don't know if that was a shadow or something. Oh.
You want me to kick it?
I think it was just this stuff for him.
If there's one, there's gonna be more. Yo, peace right now. We gotta keep an eye on the mouse in the car.
Where did he go?
He might be in the trunk or under.
I think he's in between here. Here's the problem though, we're gonna get him out.
Don't be flinging that shit at me, bro.
There's a dead one right there.
Where?
Pay attention. Oh, it smells so bad.
Oh yeah, it reeks. But then it's hard to breathe with the mask on. Today I think I'm gonna be walking out of work doing this. Eric's a real man. Look at that. Look at that alpha male right there.
Yeah, right.
Not scared at all of the mouse.
Yeah, right, dude.
Bro, I'm petrified.
We gotta find this fucker.
There's only one that we know of.
Oh boy. That goes deep, eh?
It's a 5-liter mousetrap Mustang.
We are disassembling this bad boy. There's a live mouse in here somewhere. We can't find it, but whatever. We gotta do what we gotta do. We're gonna trap that bugger later. We got the quarter panel on the inside out. We got the trunk mats out. I think you guys saw us do that. Taking out the last one, seat belts. Still can't figure out how to get these front seats out. Usually that's just 4 bolts, very easy, bada boom, bada bing. But this one is just being stubborn and I have no tools that fit on the rail.
Yeah, look how
But we
tight
still
that-
gotta fix it because it's missing washers and that's unsafe.
You know what else is unsafe? Look at the back. That little hole there. Thank you, Eric, for that debriefing. You see it, it didn't look too bad. You take out the back seats, it was
If you're wondering why I'm not inside the car, I don't want no mouse running up my pant leg.
You think more people are scared of mice than they aren't.
I hope so. I just look like a big bitch right now.
Sorry, we're both big bitches. Ooh, just block the camera lens.
We're just gonna take it apart, right? Jerry has to put it back together.
Yep, that's the deal. Give it back to him like this. Yeah, we can't do it. Yep.
Another nest.
Let's get that on video. There might be mice in there.
I think that one will be gone by now. Weird.
All right, here we go, guys. Nothing.
Nothing.
This is behind all.
That one came off easy.
Kokosh. All poo. That's where all this smell is coming from. Oh my god. Guys, we're making more progress. We found another nest in here. We took this all apart. AKA Andy watched Eric take this all apart. Now he's working on this.
Right here.
Another nest.
We got to. I need a drill.
More poop. If I sound funny, this is why. Can't breathe in here. Rear of the car. Nope, I'm going over here. Look at all these pieces. All taken apart.
These things haven't been unplugged in
Aegis.
a very long time. Okay. Let's go.
Oh, snap.
Okay. So, we did a major vacuum in here. We gotta clean that up. But the smell's so bad, we gotta do something about this right now. We got our Boomco enzyme cleaner in here. I'm gonna soak the carpets in this. I'm gonna soak all of this. I don't think it's made for that, but we're gonna do it anyways. I'm not putting this on the seats because I don't know what it's gonna do. All right, the battery died. So, I'm gonna continue spraying this Boomco enzyme cleaner. I want to take the seats out, but I need help. I don't know if I have the right tools to get that. This is gonna make it smell a whole lot nicer in here. It's gonna break down all the proteins in urine. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I don't really know the scientific terms of this. But Andy did a quick vac in here. We're gonna soak all of this. It's been about 20 minutes, maybe a half hour since we sprayed the enzyme cleaner. I also pre-sprayed these seats. Kind of soaked. Got our Ninja set up. And now we're gonna get shampooing. I also added a little bit of enzyme cleaner inside the shampooer. Kenny, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do that or not, but I did it. That way you can push some more into the fabric than the fibers. Then we can suck all that crap back up. So, let's get to it. Oh, bro, this is nasty. The car, half, and the back seat. Let's see what that water looks like. This is gonna be disgusting.
Ooh. Put my mask on. Put your mask on, Eric. Ooh.
What's that?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look
dude,
at
that's
that.
grimy.
That's all pee and. Oh, that's so gross.
Hello, it's me again. I am currently cleaning the panels that we disassembled from Mustang.
I looked in the pocket earlier and that was a lot of stuff in there. So I'm just carefully cleaning everything from the outside. I flip it in here. This is where all like the mouse droppings and everything is. As you can see, this is a lot dirtier. I think that's a little spider right there. All the dirt. So this is my little working area. I'll do a little time lapse of me working. All right. I already cleaned a couple pieces. I threw them on that side, but this one looks pretty filthy, so it'll be a fun one to watch clean. First, I'm gonna put on the proper protection. You don't want to be inhaling this shit. Here we go. That's why I can't hear me anymore. I'm doing the outside first because it looks a lot dirtier. The inside looks a lot easier to do, so let's get it done. That is all from the sides here. Tell Dave to say it.
So, while you're watching this video, we're gonna take a quick little break here to tell you guys that are watching to what?
Subscribe.
Subscribe and
Like and comment.
like and comment on this video.
This video gets 3 comments. Dave is gonna give away his dad's car.
Oh snap! We gotta put like the disclaimer. Like,
Yeah. Well, I was joking. It was a joke.
Just a joke. But yeah, while you're watching this, hit that subscribe button, like that video.
Give it a thumbs up.
All right, back to the video.
Eric is still shampooing the trunk. Get all that stuff out. Look at all that in there.
This is gross, man.
Yeah. Take a look at over here. You finish shampooing this, we may have to shampoo it again once it's dry. But it's looking a whole lot better and smelling a lot better. Having fun, Eric?
Lots of fun.
Lots of fun? I bet you can't wait for fresh air.
All right, so I think that's gonna conclude. I think this is part 3. I may have messed up the parts because I polished this and I haven't posted that video yet. But inside, look. You can breathe. I can breathe. Smells a whole lot better. I'm gonna put a fan on and let this dry out. Before we leave, we're also gonna set up some traps in there because there's a little bugger hiding in here somewhere. We can't find him. I was hoping to suck him up with the shampooer, but I didn't get him. And then we're gonna put ozone in here again, or actually for the first time. Yeah. Andy, you watched him do some of the plastic panels.
Yep.
We're gonna
I'm gonna keep working away while we're ending the video.
And then this, we're gonna clean up another day. That, the dash, we're gonna steam in there. I'm sure there's something hiding in there too.
Yep.
So that's gonna conclude this part, whatever part of the series this is.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down because we don't really care.
Peace.